Victoria & Albert's, the crown jewel of Walt Disney Resort restaurants, has finally returned after its pandemic-forced closure and a renovation that has refreshed and revitalized the dining room. Opulent is an apt word to describe Victoria & Albert's decor. It's brighter than before and less, well, Victorian. Walls are a creamy white and columns are decorated in white plaster appliques of vines, flowers, and butterflies. Elegant bouquets of white hydrangeas and flowing orchids are set about the intimate space. As before, a harpist sets the mood. The 10 or so courses of the chef's menu change frequently depending on the market availability and the whims of the chef. You may be served a creamy cauliflower panna cotta, Danish hiramasa cured in citrus and dotted with yuzu crema sitting in a carrot vinaigrette, wild butter poached turbot, and toothfish. There was also lamb and Miyazaki A5 Wagyu, and no fewer than 7 desserts. See the full review at scottjoseph.orlando.com.